Hello everyone, this is John, and my camper hose, my heated camper hose, has decided it's not going to work anymore. It's going to instead leak from around the base here. Now I have tried replacing the gasket numerous times I've bought every gasket in every hardware store in my area, and I've tried each and every gasket, and so it's just not fixing it. And what I'm suspecting is that I've got a crack or something in the flare that's not obvious, that I can't see. So I'm going to try to fix this by peeling back the rubber here and getting the heater portion out of the way, and then clipping it off and putting a new head on it. So let's go on. So this looks like heat shrink tubing, which is probably what it is. It's just a really big version here. Is cut this end off and put a new end on it. It won't hold up as well as the original crimped one, or as long, but that's not a big deal. I can do that. There's nothing obvious that's failed, but it sure leaks from around here, no matter what gasket I use. Okay, so the next step will be to put a new flared, or a new pipe end on it.